What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm not pointing my fingers at no individual person or talking about nobody. It's just my opinion on a few controversy topics. That's it, that's all. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment. But please keep your comments respectful. If you be disrespectful, I'm going to delete your comment. We should be able to discuss the subjects without people disrespecting each other. Now let's get to the video. Run the intro. Number one, crashes. I don't count crashes. I done seen videos where people done crashed their car, got a PB, was like excited, and accept it. That's what they do. But me personally, I don't count crashes. So in my opinion, crashes don't count. Number two is a big one, gyros. I have like mixed feelings when it comes to gyros. I got my Fortec 2.0 here. I done put this car on scales. I done put this car on the setup station. This is my Fortec conversion. Both of these cars. But no matter what I do to these cars, they won't go straight. So yes, I put gyros on both of these cars because I cannot get this car straight. Now, I do agree with if you run a gyro, your car ain't set up right. I agree with that. And I think that, is perfectly true. But for some reason, I can't get these cars set up right. I don't know what I'm doing or whatever it is, but I can't get them set up right. So yes, I run gyros on these two cars. So how do I actually feel about gyros? When they work good, I like the gyro. When they get the car straight, I like it. But when it malfunctions and turn the car to a different direction, into the curb or something, I hate them. So I have like a love-hate relationship when it comes to gyros. Now, there are people who say that if you're using a gyro, you're not driving your car. I don't agree with that. You are driving your car. I would challenge anybody to do a speed run with a gyro and not touch the steering wheel. A real speed run, not like a one in a big super wide parking lot on a normal street, 120 miles per hour, 110, whatever, 1,500 feet long, and do not touch your steering wheel. Put a gyro in the car and see if you don't have to touch your steering wheel. You're going to have to steer your car. Even when I put gyros on these cars, I'm still fighting them all the way down the road, so I have to steer. The gyro helps, but it don't stop, it doesn't just make it so I don't have to steer the car. So you do have to steer your car running a gyro. And if somebody can prove me wrong, and do a real speed run with the gyro without touching their steering wheel, I will admit that I'm wrong. So, but until then, as far as I'm concerned, you have to steer the car with the gyro. Now, it can malfunction and turn your car into a curb, or it can work perfectly good and your car goes straight down the road. But me, I have a love-hate relationship with a gyro. So in my opinion, I'm undecided. So, because when it works, I love it. But when it don't work, I hate them. Number three, launch control, AKA perfect pass. Me, I like the perfect pass. Matter of fact, I got the perfect pass in all my cars. Some people don't like them. Well, I don't understand, but some people don't like them. They're built into majority of the transmitters. The Futabas, they have like a 3-second delay, which is basically a perfect pass. But Fly Sky NB4 has a 9-second delay built into the transmitter. So, I don't get the problem with the perfect pass. I like it. I think it works well. I still, when I drive my car, I still pull the trigger normal. I pull the trigger just like I normally would, but I have a very bad habit of, let's say the last 30% of the run, I pull it real fast. Very bad habit. The perfect pass corrects that for me, so I use it. I like it. So in my opinion, I like the perfect pass. Number four, bringing the car back. I don't agree with that at all. You know, if you didn't crash your car, you know, if you pulled it off to the side of the road, you know, to me it counts. The run still counts, whether you bring it back or not. Yes, you prefer to bring it back because don't nobody want to go way down there to have to get their car. But, you know, if you have to go down there and get it, you have to go down there and get it. So, as long as you didn't crash the car, I feel like the run counts. On my road, at the end of my road is a dirt trail. It just runs straight off into a dirt trail. So if I can't stop my car in time and it runs off into the dirt trail, you know, not crashing, just runs off to the dirt trail and stops, I can't get it back, you know, back on the street. So I have to go down there and get the car. If that happens, I'm going to count the run, as long as I didn't crash the car. If I crash the car, then I'm going to redo the run. But if I didn't crash the car, I'm going to count it. So whether I bring the car back or not, to me, run counts, as long as you don't crash. Number 5 is SpeedRun official rules. There are no SpeedRun official rules. There's no official rules for SpeedRun. If you compete in a challenge, you know, somebody put out a challenge and you want to compete in it, yes, there's rules. You got to follow their rules. If they say no perfect passes, no gyros, you know, you must bring the car back, I think you should follow them rules to a T because you want to compete in their challenge. But when you're running for your own personal best or trying to break some record with your car, only rules that matters is your rules. That's it, that's all. Only rules that matters. Only thing I believe the vast majority agree upon is crashes don't count. You know, that's the only thing I think a lot of people agree upon. But besides that, the rules are your rules. You don't bring it back. If you want to count it, it counts. If you don't want to count it and you want to bring the car back, you know, whatever you say is what counts. You know, so that's my opinion on SpeedRun official rules. Alright, now I'm out. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. You know, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Like I said earlier in the beginning, if you leave disrespectful comments, I will delete your comment. So we should be able to discuss, you know, these situations without people disrespecting each other. So, you know, I like to hear other people's opinion on the matter. So please leave a comment down there. Just try to keep them respectful. You know, I reply to all my comments. I'm definitely going to keep it respectful, you know, so just ask that y'all do the same. I'm out. Peace.